Hello, friends. On festivals and special occasions, we used to share greetings, and we generally use our mobile phone for any such activities. But what to send and how to design the greetings is always a question. In this video, we have a solution. So on this channel, we are discussing on the ideas and solutions through which you can start your own digital business. I'm going to show you a app that you can launch as your digital business for sending, sharing greetings and creatives to mobile phones. Yes, it is coming in form of an mobile application and you are going to be administrator and business owner of this setup. Look at these some screenshots that I can show you. So this is a screenshot showing happy Independence Day greetings, and this is showing some additional features like happy birthday and the categories that you can select for sending greetings, and like business categories are here, and the profile you can manage, of course. So like an app, it has all those functionalities that you generally wish to have on a mobile app. So we have the BrandPeak, which is a festival poster maker, business post and political post maker app, and it is going to be very helpful when you are targeting to send greetings through mobile phones using either the social networks or the WhatsApp or any such tool. And this is being a high revenue generated business idea, and it is mostly trending in India, we can say. So you can quickly start your high scaling online business using this brand pick app. So how you can test this app, how it is actually working, so you can follow the video description link that will take you to the codecanyon.net where you can buy the application and you can download the app at Google Play Store and check it at your own so that you may get the actual feeling how this app is going to work. And further, once you decide to make it as a business, you can set up this app with your white labeling. It means with your name, with your brand name, and you can start earning money from it. And now I'm showing you the backend that you can control through the desktop or the personal laptop or computer, you can say. And here you are controlling everything, including the payments, stats, and all. So this is the dashboard that is showing most of the things what is going inside the system. And very quickly, I'm going to show you what are the other screens saying. So first of all, when you are starting this app, you need to go for app setting. Like you can set your business name, the logo, the web icon, and API like basic things. You can set the currency. If it is India, it is of course INR. So the application can be run in multiple currency, mainly USD and INR is available. So you can set the app version and all. Further, we have the ad settings if you are willing to earn some additional money through running ads on the application. So you can set your ad mob account here. Further, we have the publisher ID, banner ad settings, and other settings so that you may display the ads on the application. Notification settings, email settings, payment settings. So payment, you can integrate the Razorpay payment gateway, Stripe payment gateways, which is very commonly used, being used in India. Cashfree is also here. Paytm you can use, PhonePe, and offline payment is also available. So all major payment system can be integrated simply by putting the credentials that you'll get from the payment gateway provider. Further, API setting gives us option to like category API on the festival. So this is a bit technical thing, and you can keep it as it is by default. It is all set. WhatsApp setting is also here, so you need to opt in the WhatsApp API key and instance ID through the Meta login, and a developer may help you in this regard if you are not going to work on the technical side. The storage setting is also here. App update pop-up, privacy policy, refund policy that is required for running an app, and WhatsApp contact is also here. So you might be thinking how you can start the app. So there are two ways. Either you can go to the codecanyon.net through the video description link. You need to spend the $49 for getting this application for you, and in this $49 you'll get the regular license for running this app at your hosting, of course, and you'll get the future updates for this application as well. The uh, option to get it installed is from the direct from the developers. Either you can use the reskin and installation services by paying the additional bucks, and you will get it installed at your in your name. So if you are not going to work on the technical side, further you have option to join on the DBX Digital BE program. I'm going to include the link in the video description, where you can ask the experts to work for you, like SaaS setup and the agency setup options are here, and you can simply request a setup for you to launch your digital business. It is all for you, and you can simply use these options, and you can start with a simple chat with a human. Yes, so mentors are here. It is not like AI, so you can start chat directly here, and you can ask any question before you go for choosing this option. Or there are many options for business on this channel itself, so you can explore others as well. So we are mainly focused for BrandPeak in this video. Now I'm coming back to the dashboard again, and after you complete the setup, you can go for basic selections like how many language you want to enable with the app. The categories, you can set up the categories like anniversary wishes and the motivation quotes and leader quotes, happy birthday posts. So you can enable and disable these things, either status feature, or you can edit the things using your admin panel. So happy anniversary banner is here. uh, like festival posts are here. You can set the festivals and the friendship day, Navaratri, whatever festival you want to configure. You can simply add festivals here using the title and the select image and the festival date and activation date and all such details which is required as per in the screen. Further, you have custom post options like category, sale offer, Navaratri offers, and all. The stickers, you can configure the product, like product category you can set up in the product. You can set additional things like Facebook ads. So it is all about the digital products, of course. In the finance settings, you can set up the referral system, withdraw request. Details can be seen here, subscription plans, coupon code, and the transactions you can check here, and other settings are also here. And in the frame category and the frames can be set like business frame, and the personal frame can be set here. And in the video settings, we have the video type, and you can add new video or the wishes. So it is again can be done in the multiple way, and you can keep adding as much as required for your app. The news, stories, and user sections basically gives us the list of users who are using this app, right? So these are the users. You can either enable or disable user, or you can check the details of user and what they are doing, like the edit profile options, business, and the subscription plans, transaction that has been done by user, custom frame, earnings, and the earning history. In the businesses area, we have list of business who are enrolled through the app, and we have business cards as well. So the users can have a business card using this app. In the contact list, we have the contact entry and the subjects etc. In the notification, we have the notification that we can push to the app. WhatsApp message can be configured. You can add new WhatsApp message for users, and you can select the text or media types. And role manager gives us option to decide what uh, are the permissions available for different roles of users. So it is all simple, and the backup option is also here. So through the admin panel, you are going to govern the app while the app can be upload it for public for further uses at Play Store. So I think this is a good idea to start such application, and it will definitely start giving you some earnings, and you can explore other things as well. So you can set up multiple digital business, as you have to do such activities only once, and these these applications and the softwares that you can offer through the ready to use scripts is always a earning model, and it is a long term plan to get a digital business. So in the next video I'm coming with more solutions for you that you can choose to start a digital business. And if you are planning to have a website at a very nominal price, and a very interactive and intuitive website, you can even start just for 10 rupees per day. So you can explore the plan here, and you can get in touch with a mentor here on the live chat, and you can discuss your objectives. You can plan your own digital business as an additional source of income. It is all for you. Let us meet in the next video. We are going to discuss more helpful things to start digital businesses. Thank you.